Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can create a Fiverr account for yourself. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So those of you who are wondering what Fiverr is, I'm going to explain that to you as well. So Fiverr is a freelance working space which can be found on the internet. It is an online marketplace where freelancers offer several services to clients worldwide. It's a platform where you can buy or sell various digital services, including graphic design, writing, video editing, programming, digital marketing, and more. The platform is named after its original concept of offering services starting from $5, so that's why it has been named Fiverr. But now the price may widely vary. So let's go ahead and teach how you can sign up for Fiverr. So after you open fiverr.com on any of the browser you have on your PC, you can see this type of interface. Now, if you already have your account, you can just click on sign in and sign in using your account. But if you don't have Fiverr, you can see the join option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on join, and you can see that there are some ways to create your account. The first step or the first way is to create by Google, second is email, or you can use your Apple or Facebook ID to create a new account as well. I'm going to be teaching you how you can continue with Google, but if you do have your Apple or Facebook account, you can create a Fiverr account for yourself using these as well. So go ahead and click on continue with Google, as most of us will already have a Google Mail. Go ahead and select the primary mail which you use. Click continue to sign into Fiverr, and the process is almost done. Now what you need to do is select the name for yourself. So if the name is already been taken, you can just go ahead and write the name which you want to take once again. So after you choose it, just go ahead and click on create my account. So the username has been chosen. Now you can see the account has been created. Now you can experience that if you want to buy the freelancing services, you can click on this. Or if you're planning to sell freelance services, you can click on this account. So I'm especially going to buy items from here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on buying freelance services. But if you are a freelance seller, just go ahead and click on selling freelancer services. Go ahead and click next, and you can see what do you plan to buy services for. My primary job or business, a secondary need, or personal use. So these options will be different, so you can go ahead and click both of them. Click next, and you can see that there are some options over here. Just go ahead and click on any of these, and you can see what you are looking for. So if you're just exploring, click on this. Or if you want to start a project or you are searching for a specific service, you can click on these, all or of it. So you can click on it and click finish and click start exploring. After you do so, you can see that your account has been created, and now you can start exploring and you can buy the services. Or if you want to sell the service, you can see become a seller option is right here on your profile. Just go ahead and click on your profile, and you can see become a seller option. Just go ahead and click on become a seller, fill in the credentials to become a seller from here, and you can easily start selling on Fiverr. So guys, I hope this video about how you can create your account on Fiverr was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.